In today's topic, we are going to discuss about what is fashion and few terms related to fashion design. Before we start with fashion designing, you need to know some of the terms. And there are quite a few terms which you need to know. So I have decided that I'll split this episode into two parts. So today I'm releasing the first part and soon I'll release the second. So please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the videos. Hi friends, my name is Debolina, professionally a fashion designer, married to my best friend who is also a fashion designer, proud daughter of two superheroes. If you are watching my video for the first time, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon to get further notification. My channel Design Bodice come up with interesting topics on fashion designing. So please do subscribe to my channel. Design Buddy has come up with free online course. Please do check the description box for the form. Our team will contact you after you fill up the form. My first word is fashion. Everybody of us, we talk about fashion, but actually none of us know what exactly fashion is. It may be right to say that fashion has become the way of life nowadays. Human beings are the only person who wear clothes, and there comes fashion, my friend. Fashion is also divided into various parts because man and woman, both of them are so different from each other. Defining fashion is not that easy. It is multifaceted. Fashion is a complex process which reflects society's transformation according to different ages. Scientifically, it can be said that it's a phenomena that is generated and can be generated for constant changes in clothes. This definition distinguishes fashion as a system with a constant change. Now, who are the fashion designers? The person who create fashion are the fashion designers. What is bridge fashion? As the term suggests, that it's a bridge between the designer garments and the bottom layer garments. It's a brand which can be afforded by the middle class. Labels. What are labels? This word is associated with the upcoming designers. These garments are high fashion garments and are quite expensive but cheaper than the established designer garment. Fad. Fad is short-lived fashion. For example, some fashion come and go instantly. These fashions are called fad. Classic are fashion which are there for ages and ages. You can see a curve describing the classic fashion. What is fashion cycle? It's a curve showing the introduction of the product and popularity, then peak and then decline. This is a product life cycle. Ensemble. Ensemble is a French word. It depicts the total look of the garment, including the accessories like shoes, earrings and neck pieces. Hemline. Hemline is the lower edge of the garment which is responsible for the finishing. It is termed as long or short according to the distance of the hemline from the floor. Silhouette. Silhouette is the basic outline of anything. In fashion, silhouette is used to describe the outline of the garment. Monochrome. Monochrome are the garments which have tints and shade of the same color. If the whole look is created with one color, adding black and white to it, then it is called as monochromatic outfit. Applique. Applique is a fabric attached to a base fabric, creating a particular design. It can be hand stitched as well as machine stitched. Croquis. Croquis are the fashion illustration which are done to show the garment. Apex. Apex is the fullest part of the bust. Armhole. Armhole is the part where the arm passes through, or it can be easily said where the sleeve is attached. silhouette which is fitted to the body. It has shoulder, armhole, side seam and hem. Dart. The V-shaped tuck which is used to make the garment fitted to the body is called dart. Dart manipulation. The way the dart is shifted throughout the body is called dart manipulation. Draping. Draping is a process in which we manipulate the muslin fabric to create any desired garment, finally to get the pattern. Empire line. Horizontal style line which sits under the bust. Forecasting. Forecasting is a process in which some companies forecast color, trends, silhouette and everything. The whole year's design depends on the forecast of the previous year. Bias fabric. Bias fabric are diagonal stripped fabric cut from the big fabric. These strips are used for finishing like neck finishing, armhole finishing. True bias. True bias is the fabric which is cut at a 45 degree. Atelier. Atelier is a workshop where the couture garments are made of the designers. Fashion week are not necessarily a week process. It's an event where different designers show their garments. Mannequins. Mannequins are the dummy figures which are used to show garments. Ready to wear. Ready to wear are garments which are mass produced and it is ready to wear, literally. Capsule collection. When a limited supply of garments are collaborated with other designers to launch as a collection, these are called capsule collections. Subcultures. These are a group of people who have influenced their outfit, their way of styling in fashion. Corset. Corset is an undergarment which is a body hugging thing and it can be used to manipulate the waistline. Usually corset have bones, underwears and pads. Haute couture. Haute couture are garments which are made for individual. It is not a ready to wear garment and it is specially made for some event or some purposes. As we come to the end of the first part, the second part is coming soon. Please do subscribe to our channel. We put a lot of effort in creating these videos and bring to you. If you have any suggestion for us, please drop your comments. We'll look into it and bring better videos every time. As you are already aware that Design Buddy has launched free online course. So please fill up the forms which is there in the description box and join the free online course. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.